flood warning in effect until 5 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time early this morning. Replaces flood advisory. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is occurring. Where? A portion of west central Indiana, including the following counties: Clay, Park, Putnam, Vermilion, and Vigo. When? Until 5 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The following impacts are expected: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details: at 12:37 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the public reported flooding in the warned area. Flooding is already occurring. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Greencastle, Clinton, Rockville, Fairview Park, Montezuma, Rosedale, Carbon, Mecca, Bridgeton, Fontanette, and Lena. http:// for safety information, visit www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Flood advisory in effect until 5 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time early this morning. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Edgar County, southern Vermilion County, southeastern Champaign County, eastern Douglas County until 10:45 p.m. At 9:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Philo, or 12 miles southeast of Champaign, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Sydney around 10 p.m. Homer and Broadlands around 10:05 p.m. Allerton around 10:10 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Fairmount, Sidell, Chrisman, Ridge Farm, and Georgetown. This includes Interstate 57 between mile markers 211 and 219.
And the dollhouse, which is 2 stories, the glass doors were all
during severe weather, keep these St. Moultrie County, Central Shelby County, Southern Piatt County, Southwestern Douglas County, Southern Macon County until 10 p.m. At 8:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Long Creek, or near Decatur, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Dalton City around 9:05 p.m. Bethany, Lovington, and Hammond around 9:15 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Sullivan, Arthur, Allenville, Cooksville, and Humboldt. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 between mile markers 196 and 207. Interstate 72 between mile markers 131 and 137, and between mile markers 141 and 147. Tonight, partly cloudy until midnight, then becoming mostly cloudy. Showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 30s. Chance of rain 40%. Saturday. Thunderstorm. Humid with highs in the mid-80s. 8, effective until midnight Saturday, or 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Clark, Coles, Douglas and Edgar, and Vigo, Indiana. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.